Good morning, students. Welcome back to the topology online class. Hi students, today we are going to learn about basis for the topology, examples and some results. Before that, one small recap. What is the definition of topological space? Okay, topology on a set X is a collection tau of subsets of X having the following properties. What is the first property? Empty and X are in tau. What is the second property? The union of the elements of any subcollection of tau is in tau. The third property is the intersection of the elements of any finite subcollection of tau is also in tau. If these three properties are satisfied, it is called a topological space. Okay. Next, you learn discrete topology, indiscrete topology, and finite complement topology, finite, strictly finite, closure, strictly closure, comparable. You learn all these definitions. Okay. What is another name of indiscrete topology? You know? The another name of indiscrete topology is trivial topology. Okay. Okay. Next, we move on to the next session. Basis for a topology. What is basis for a topology? The definition of basis is if X is a set, a basis for a topology on X is a collection script B of subsets of X. Is called basis elements, such that for the first condition is for each small x belongs to X, there is at least one basis element capital B containing small x. The second condition is if X belongs to the intersection of two basis elements B1 and B2, then there is a basis element B3 containing small x such that capital B3 it is a subset of B1 intersection B2. If these two conditions are satisfied, it is called a basis. What is the first condition? If small x belongs to capital X, this capital X is a set. This script B is a basis. This capital B is a basis element. For example, if script B be a basis means the basis elements are capital B1, capital B2, capital B3, etc. Here, small x, there is at least one basis element B, it containing x. X that is the first condition. The second condition is if X belongs to the intersection of two basis elements. Intersection of two basis elements means that is first element is B1, second element is B2 means if intersection of two elements means B1 intersection B2. This intersection of these two basis elements, then there is a basis element B3 containing X. That is B3 contains B1 intersection B2. Then it is a second property. If these two conditions are satisfied, it is called a basis. For example, if the set, the open set small a comma b, it is a subset of capital R, that means set of all real numbers, such that small a comma b, it belongs to Q, set of all rational numbers, it is a basis. Okay, so this is the one example for the basis. Next, one more example. Let b equal to b, that means b means that is script b. Script b equal to, script b means that is basis, equal to one set, the singleton set A, comma two element sets A comma B and singleton set C. This is a basis. Okay. This basis satisfies the first condition, because first, what is the first condition? For each small x belongs to x, there is at least one basis element, that is capital B, containing x. So this first property is satisfied. What is the second property? If x belongs to the intersection of two basis element b1 and b2, then there is a basis element b3 containing x, such that b3 it is a subset of b1 intersection b2. So here second condition, the element small a, it belongs to singleton set A, and small a, it is also belongs to set A comma B. Here b1 equal to, b1 means that is basis element 1, equal to singleton set A. So here the basis three elements are there. The first element is singleton set A, second element is set A comma B, and the third element, basis element, is singleton set C. So here b1 equal to, then the basis first element equal to singleton set A, and b2 means that is the basis second element singletons, that is two elements sets A comma B, and b3 means that is basis element third element singleton set A. Now you check b1 intersection b2 equal to b3. And that's b3, it is a subset of b1 intersection b2. Okay, I have to verify. Then a belongs to b3. This small a belongs to, in b3, small a belongs to b3 is a subset of b1 intersection b2. Hence, so these two conditions are satisfied, because that b3, it is a subset of b1 intersection b2, because b3 equal to a, b1 intersection b2 equal to, b1 intersection b2 equal to a. So here b1 intersection b2 equal to b3. Okay, because the b1 equal to a2 and b1 intersection b2 equal to a2 like a, sorry a, then a belongs to b3, it is a subset of b1 intersection b2. Therefore hence b is a basis for the topology on x. Okay, if two conditions are satisfied, then it is a basis. Next one result, let b be the, b na, that means script b. Script b means basis, be the basis for the topology on x, and let tau equal to set of all u is a subset of x. For each small x belongs to u, there is a basis element of b, it belongs to script b, such that x belongs to b, it is a subset of u. You have to prove First, you have to prove B be the basis for the topology on X. You have to prove. Okay. B be the basis for the topology on X. So that means B means that is script B and the basis for the topology அப்படின்ட்டு ப்ரூஃப் பண்ண போகிறோம். அப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டோபாலஜி அப்படின்ட்டு ப்ரூஃப் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா நம்மளோட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கண்டிஷன் என்ன? எக்ஸ் வந்து இட் பிலாங்ஸ் டு எங்கே இருக்கணும்? டவுவில் இருக்கணும். அண்டு எம்டி இஸ் ஆல்சோ இட் பிலாங்ஸ் டு டவ். ஓகே. ஸோ this property is satisfied. This first property is satisfied, then it is called a topological space. So first you have to verify empty and x it belongs to tau. So since script B is a basis for the topology on X, for each small x belongs to X, there is a basis element B such that X belongs to B. That is, X belongs to B means B is a subset of X because X is a whole set. So small x belongs to in the basis. This basis is a subset of X. X means that is a whole set. That implies x belongs to where? In tau. If x belongs to tau means next we have to verify mt belongs to tau. Here again mt satisfies the defining conditions of tau. So therefore since mt it belongs to tau because mt means there is no element sets. So mt belongs to tau. So first x belongs to tau and mt belongs to tau. Therefore the first condition is satisfied. Okay, next we have to verify the second condition. What is the second condition of topological space? Topology: the union of the elements of any subcollection of tau is in tau. So you take union of collection of unions. So union u equal to, next you have to claim u equal to union u alpha. Union u alpha it belongs to where? Tau. So let x belongs to u. X that x ன்னு சொல்கிற எலமெண்ட் வந்து uல இருக்குது அப்படின்னு நம்ம எடுத்துக்கிறோம். That is equal to union u alpha because ஏன் நம்ம union u alpha ன்னு கொடுக்குறோம்? Union u alpha னா that is a union of collection of subsets. So அப்போ union u alpha. Next that implies x belongs to u alpha for some alpha belongs to I. Where u alpha belongs to tau, that implies there exists a basis element b belongs to script b such that x belongs to b, it is a subset of union alpha. Then x belongs to b, it is a subset of u alpha, it contains u because u alpha contained in u. That implies x belongs to b, u alpha it is a subset of u means கண்டிப்பாக எப்படி இருக்கும்? b is a subset of u. Therefore u belongs to tau because u belongs to the topology tau. That implies u belongs to tau means the collection of u it is also belongs to tau. So that implies u alpha belongs to I, u alpha is also belongs to tau. Therefore the u belongs to tau means union u alpha it belongs to tau means the union of elements of subcollections is also in tau. Therefore the second property is also satisfied. Next, third property. What is the third property? The intersection of the elements of any finite subcollection of tau is in tau. So you have to take the intersection of finite subcollections. So intersection of finite subcollections means you have to take the finite number of elements. Let u1, u2, etc. un be any finite number of sets in tau. Tau means what? What is tau? Is a topology. To prove that, so you have to prove the intersection of the elements of finite subcollection. So you have to take the intersection. About u1, that is the first element, intersection u2, intersection etc. intersection un. It belongs to tau. Okay. We shall introduce a n. Claim the result is proof of n equal to 2. Okay, so first you have to, that is the induction method. First you have to prove this n equal to 2. Let u1 comma u2 it belongs to tau. Two elements. Okay, first here first நம்ம எப்படி எடுத்துருக்கிறோம் n elements எடுத்துருக்கிறோம். Now only two elements நம்ம எடுக்கிறோம். That is u1 comma u2 because n equal to 2. Induction methodல நம்ம proof பண்ண போகிறோம். So n equal to 2. So அப்போ let u1 comma u2 it belongs to tau. Let x belongs to அப்போ u1 intersection u2. x belongs to because basisல என்ன பண்ணுவோம், ஒரு element வந்து அங்கே எடுக்கணும்னா u1 intersection u2 basis நம்ம proof பண்ண போகிறோம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ that implies x belongs to அப்போ எங்கே இருக்கும், u1லேயும் இருக்கும், and x belongs to எங்கே இருக்கும், u2லேயும் இருக்கும். where u1 comma u2 it belongs to tauல இருக்கு. By definition of tau, their axis b1 comma b2 it belongs to b script b such that b1 னா என்ன, what is b1? b1 is basis elements. b2 na basis second element. It belongs to basis such that x belongs to b1. It is a subset of u1. And x belongs to b2. It is a subset of u2. b1 it is a subset of u1. And b2 it is a subset of u2. So therefore x belongs to b1 intersection b2, b1 intersection b2 it is a subset of u1 intersection u2. So this is the first equation. Now b is a basis and x belongs to b1 intersection b2. With b1 comma b2 it belongs to b and their axis b3 belongs to b such that x belongs to b3. It is a subset of b1 intersection b2. This is a second property. Now x belongs to b1 intersection b2. Here x belongs to b1 intersection b2. So for equation number 2, next to compare equation 1 and 2, that implies x belongs to b3. It is a subset of b1 intersection b2. It is a subset of u1 intersection u2. That implies x belongs to b3. It is a subset of u1 intersection u2 with b3 belongs to b. So here since u1 intersection u2 it belongs to tau. So in the therefore intersection of any two elements it belongs to tau. Already we claimed the result is proof of n equal induction method. So here you take intersection of two elements u1 intersection u2, it belongs to tau. Hence the claim. Now the result is true for n equal to 3. Next you have to prove the n equal to n minus 1. That is n intersection I equal to 1 to n, ui equal to intersection I equal to 1 to n, ui intersection un. அப்போ intersection I equal to 1 to n, ui it belongs to tau. Therefore you have to take n equal to n minus 1. So here intersection of, for example, if n elements you take intersection, that n elements, intersection of n elements it is also belongs to tau. Hence if therefore the three properties are satisfied, if these three properties are satisfied, it is called a topology. Hence, tau is a topology generated by the basis B. Thank you. See you next video.